Yes guys, my name is Joe.
I'm Danny.
And we've just got our first rent-to-rent deal.
I've got the keys. Let's show you around and talk about the figures. Okay, so what people don't realise is these shops here, there's apartments above them. These apartments are big. They've got multiple rooms.
And that means that we can do rent-to-rent on those rooms.
These are my tenants. They've just left now.
These are your tenants?
Yeah.
God, these guys here?
Yeah.
So they pay you rent?
Yeah.
And you're how old?
19.
19 and they pay you rent? Holy moly.
So this is the back entrance of the house. We've just asked the tenants if we can use their rooms to film, and they said it's absolutely fine.
That's because we're good landlords.
So the downstairs is actually a shop, so we're going to take you upstairs where we've actually got 4 bedrooms.
It's just had a full refurb. It's a communal kitchen, so the tenants share the kitchen. It's got all the appliances needed, everything was ready to go.
Did you have to refurb the kitchen?
No, not at all. Fully refurbed. We've done.
Nice. So they share the kitchen. Very nice.
So now, let me take you to the living room.
Very nice. So this was all furnished?
Yeah, all fully furnished. Some nice sofas in here. Also came with a flat screen TV. This is a nice large communal area with good light as well as those windows and the blinds as well.
So the landlord gets one form of rent from us, Fidelity Property Group, which is £800.
So you pay the landlord £800 for the entire property?
The entire property.
Okay.
But we actually get 4 lots of rent, okay? So we rent out each room individually, which brings in a total of 1,600.
So we make around £400-500 per month, clean cash flow.
Nice. Good job. And you're 18? 19?
19.
You were 19 when you attended the crash course, now you just turned 20?
Correct, yeah.
So how does it feel to have a rent-to-rent, have the keys to a property that you control?
Awesome.
Buzzing. Okay, so now we've got the kitchen and the living room out of the way. We're going to go to the first bedroom upstairs on the 2nd floor. This room right here is actually rented out for $425 per month.
Nice.
The best thing about this though is we negotiated a 2-month free rent period prior to getting the keys, so we don't have to pay anything for 2 months.
So you pay nothing to the landlord for 2 months. You've already rented this room out for $425. What about the other 3 rooms? Are they all tenanted?
Yeah, all tenanted. We got them in sort of a month ago.
So right now you're making more than £500 a month profit.
Yeah, so we took deposits and first month's rent, but we haven't actually paid the deposit ourselves yet.
So good.
So this room right here is exactly the same as that one, rented out for the same exact amount of money. However, the tenant's in there right now, so we're not going to disturb her. I'm going to go straight up to the top rooms.
Yep, so these rooms are tenanted. The tenants are out at the moment, but they've given us permission to show you guys around. So this is the top floor. Yep, so this one rents out for $375, and the one opposite is a little bit smaller, which actually rents out for $325.
Okay, so altogether you've got a mix of rents, but you're renting in total you're getting how much, sorry?
1,600 overall.
1,600 in rent?
Yeah.
You're paying the landlord 800?
Yeah.
How does rent-to-rent work? Explain it to me.
Rent-to-rent is where you rent an entire property off a landlord, and then you rent out each room on an individual basis, and then you keep the profit in between after bills.
Is this not like subletting though? Is that not illegal?
It's not illegal as long as you do it under the right contracts.
Okay.
So if you do it under the wrong contract and you're not trained properly, then things can go wrong. Us ourselves, we're trained by Samuel Leeds, who's behind the camera. We pay thousands of pounds into our education, and we believe that that's so important in rent-to-rent.
Yeah, you've got a properly legit company set up.
We've got a company set up. We're not here to mess about. This is what
You do it proper.
What we want to do.
And you came on the crash course as teenagers.
Correct.
Teenagers.
Teenagers came on the crash course, invested thousands of pounds.
Yeah.
I mean, did people tell you not to do it? Did people go, don't spend that money?
Yeah,
Of course.
all the time.
Say, oh, it's a scam.
Yeah.
Right.
Parents.
Overall.
But now what? Now you're making money?
Now we're showing them that it is possible and you can do it.
Yeah. And you've got these tenants all in, all full.
All in.
It's all happening. Beautiful area. And you guys have done super well. I'm so proud of these guys. Was it hard? Was it easy? Did you have to persevere a lot? What was the journey like?
It was definitely tough. Constantly getting no's. But we persevered, we kept going, and then we got the yes.
Yeah.
So we're going ahead with it.
That's amazing.
We all know there's this COVID situation happening.
Yeah.
However, some of us are going to let it affect us more than others. For us, we feel like if it didn't happen, we wouldn't be in this situation right now. So we're actually thankful that it's happened.
You feel like the pandemic actually gave you time?
100%.
Gave you time. You're studying, right?
I'm studying, but because all my studies went online, it gave me a chance to get a job, earn some money, put the money into rent to rent.
So what's next for you guys now?
Yep, so we want to expand our rent-to-rent business. We're also going to start selling some amazing deals and get into some buy-to-lets eventually.
Nice.
And you're going to see us on a Winners on a Wednesday.
Yes.
That's the next one.
Winners on a Wednesday. Every single week I have a Winners on a Wednesday. Interviewing someone financially free. These guys are not quite financially free yet. They're making a bit of money in property. They're young. It's going to happen. They're 2021. Every single week, someone's becoming financially free. Subscribe to the channel, see more videos like this. You can subscribe right here, watch more videos here. You want to come to the Property Investors Crash Course? It's free. You can do that right here or in the link below. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.